Drive Medical Scout Spitfire 4-wheel travel power scooter. Quick and easy disassembly. Interchangeable color panels hide scuffs and scratches. Height adjustable swivel seat with fold-down backrest. Armrests are padded and adjustable. Comes with large plastic carry basket. Delta tiller is easy to adjust. Ergonomic throttle control with easy freewheel operation. Comes with easy to remove, quick connect battery pack that can be charged separately from the scooter. Includes battery and charger. Flat-free, non-marking tires with anti-tip wheels. Seat width 16.5. Max speed 4.25 miles per hour. Climbing angle 6 degrees. Maximum range 9 miles. Motor 24 VX 270 WX 4700 RPM. Turning radius 53.75. Ground clearance 2.5. Weight capacity 300 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.